Hey everybody! It's time for a Labubu surprise party! Just dunk your half in the water and see what you've got. Ooh. Maybe you'll have better luck. Wow! You got some little Labubu balls! Give it a good squeeze and you'll get to the slime inside. Why don't we see what they're made of? Hold on, there's a special message inside. Wow, an ASMR challenge. First, we'll need some glue. Plus a few other things, like spiders. Wow. And glitter. We got the recipe from Wednesday and Enid. Our arachnid slime looks like it's done. It's time to pour it out of the bowl. Make sure you get every last drop. Now knead it like you're baking bread. I imagine big things for this slime, and I mean big. It looks like fun, but what can we do? Great idea! A unicorn! Fill it up with candy. Now let's put those chompers to work. We know you've got more slime than that in you. Wow! A rainbow! Here, grab a tissue. And thanks. Now, let's form a rainbow and give it a nice waffle pattern. Next, it's time for a little liftoff. Twist it up like a double helix. Now take this rainbow slime and smush it together. Just not too much, or you'll just get brown. Time to pick a winner. It's rainbow slime! Congratulations! You've got a new friend, a tiny butterfly unicorn. Oh, he's covered in a bunch of fuzzy fur. Oh, there's so much. Why not share the fluff? Besides, a quick shave never hurt. Just ask all those sheep. Now we can see your true colors, and they look great. As for your fuzz, we've got just the place to put it. This adorable Labubu-shaped case. Next, let's put a nice face on things. Aw, we've made you a new friend. She's also got some friends to help her.
Hey!
And they come from Spunky Land. Just lie back. Always good to spread yourself out. But why don't we help roll things along? Take these balls and squeeze them together. Our Spunky friends have never been closer. But now it's time for a little Labubu crossover. I've grown accustomed to your face. But wait till you see the whole package. Of course, Labubus are meant to be fuzzy. So why don't we add some texture? Aw, a ball and chain never looked better. Okay, it's time to choose a winner. And Fuzzy Wuzzy wins! Someone's in the lead. Next up, choose either paper or soap. Seems simple. You can always draw up a solution. And by solution, I mean Labubu. Labubu's always the answer. But next, we'll need a special secret ingredient. Some tears. We're all out of onions, so we'll have to make do. Okay, Rapunzel, share those magic tears with the world. Ooh, extra salty. And they really are magic. Just look at what this stuff can do. After all, this isn't paper, they're sponges. Wow, these little elves are really springing to life. Yeah, we get it. Can someone open a window?
Nah.
Well, at least your soap smells nice. And it's so much fun scraping it up. That was fun, but now the heavy artillery, the cheese grater. Are we turning it into powder next? No, we've got something special in mind. Fill up this Labubu mold and add glitter. Because Labubus were meant to shine. We could try to melt them into place, but it's just so much fun to crumble it up. In fact, it's so much fun, we'll do it 4 times. And your hands have never smelled better. Think that's fun? Huh, wait till you add water. So who won this round? The champion keeps her title. Birthday cake. Wait, did you wash your hands? Well, when she's away, the gator will play. Sorry, it's all gone. But you at least get a wish. Wait, inspiration strikes! Place this candle over water. Now pour some melted wax over it in different colors. We're almost done. Just gotta add some purple. Wow! It's like a piece of rainbow coral! Why don't we give it some time to dry? Then get it ready so we can make another wish. Or was a rainbow candle your wish after all?
Hey.
Your turn. You sure could use a win.
Ew.
Or at the very least, a mint. And it comes in gum form? Oh, talk about being cool. She's practically the Snow Queen. Soon, making ice sculptures will be a breeze. And think of what we'll save on air conditioning. Oh, so cool.
Wow. Nah.
Do you think she'll win this round? Talk about a dark horse victory. Emphasis on dark. Well, let's go back to our arts and crafts. Looks like we're mixing mediums with this. Now what can we put on top of the glue? Guess it's time for some graded rainbows. Say when. Give it time to stick. Now let's see what you've got. This Labubu's over the rainbow. Next, it's your turn. A chewed up tissue? Well, guess it's quantity over quality here. You gotta reach right inside yourself.
Ew.
See? At least it's got color. And soon, so will your Labubu. This might take a while, so let's speed it up. It's popping off the page, but will it win? Yes, it did! You're really catching up. Okay, it's anyone's game. we're gonna need some plastic wrap.
Uh-huh.
Mix some soap, lotion, and some starch. What else can we add? Oh yeah, right, glitter. All it needs now is some elbow grease. Ooh, slime. Let's add it to our plastic wrap. Next, draw a cute little Labubu face on top. And don't forget those famous Labubu teeth. Aw, who wouldn't want to pinch that face? Remember, you're not the only one with plastic wrap. This time, we'll blow it up like a balloon. You know, it kind of looks like a jellyfish. Make a cluster and you've got a brand new Labubu. But I guess the face is not included, so draw one on. They're a little transparent, but so much fun to pop. Still, not much to show for the competition. But you still won! Looks like we're all winners today.